I'm Delores Gant, and I came to meet Dr. Bedikian through my doctor, Dr. Motion. And the reason I came here was because Dr. Motion found out that I was bone on bone, and he says, I have a terrific guy for you. And I said, okay. And so I came here and I met Dr. Bedikian, liked him very well. He looked at my x-rays and said, you should have had this years ago. And I was in so much pain, and he knew I was, and he scheduled my surgery right away because I had no doubt that because of my main doctor, I had no doubt that he was the best. So we had the first surgery, immediately out of pain, no pain at all. I was walking around within an hour after I came out of surgery. I had no problem going through the surgery. I went through physical therapy with the first hip, which was the left hip. And so after 6 weeks, I came back and had my follow-up check. And I said, well, I'm ready for my next one because I'm still in a lot of pain with the right hip. So 3 weeks later, I had the surgery, immediately out of pain, no pain at all. Went to physical therapy. The therapy came and says, okay, we're gonna try you on the steps and see because I have steps in my house. And they was worried that I wouldn't be able to do the steps. Did the steps, no pain. The physical therapist said, what? I can't believe that you're not in any pain. The nurses would all come in. Do you need medication? No, I don't need any medication. I'm fine. I feel great. I haven't been out of pain like this. I was in pain for 2 years. 2 years in excruciating pain, crying, and I couldn't even make myself meals. Immediately after both surgery, I was back to my normal self. I am a nanny. I could not do my job. But after the surgery, I'm back to work now. I have 2 kids that I watch, 3 and 6 months old. Have no problem in taking care of them. Going by my life, take myself where I want to, do everything I need to do in my home. I mean, if it wasn't for Dr. Bedikian, he was a godsend. And when I see him, I says, oh, thank you so much. You have been a godsend to me. If it wasn't for him, I don't think I would be out of pain right now. But I tell anyone, and anybody that asks me and says, oh my goodness, you're doing this, you're doing this. I say, yes, I'm back to my normal self. I can't believe that I am back to myself. Thank you, Dr. Bedikian. I really appreciate everything.